To get to your driving assisting settings, you just swipe over left, go to setup, and then you could pop up vehicle, driving assist, and driving assist modes, and you have everything in here. You could go through your smart cruise control settings. You could change the distance, the acceleration, support faster, slower, and reaction speed from it. And if you need to change it, then you move it around and push reset. You can go through your highway driving assist, which keeps you in the lanes, auto highway speed change, which automatically adjusts the vehicle speed on the highway based on the navigation data. And you go through the driving safety, which is forward safety. If you're getting too close to the car in front of you, forward safety warning time, so if you either quicker or later, and lane safety, blind spot view monitors, blind spot safety, safe exits. So if a pedestrian's coming down or a biker is coming down, then for driving attention warning, you put the leading vehicle departure alert, forward tension alert, and parking safety. So it'll alert you if any rear cross traffic is going across, then it'll alert you and tell you if somebody's coming behind you. And speed limit warnings. So you could have the different settings on it. If you speed limit offset, so it'll alert you when you're going above the speed limit or below it.